Yes. We are doing Russian. You want me to go get another one?
Sure. Joe didn't like that.
Leave it 1 minute.
So, unless you want to grab a jar and sit it on there,
Where's your jar?
we can go through and do them all, or we can come back and do them. We can go do them as we go, or come back and get them all.
We'll come back and get them all. Look at the drawing.
I'm gonna put her on this one. Pop on it. Knew I'd destroy one at least.
Probably should have picked the other side
Why?
because the honey's sticking out right far there. That should stick it a bit good.
Yeah.
Turn the inner cover back on.
Yep. We apparently have a honey excluder. Notice I said excluder, not excluder.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do both of these or keep on keeping on?
I guess keep on keeping on.
Alright. There's a camera sitting where I'm going to work though.
I have all the queens. Yeah. I'm very popular. Huh.
Okay. I don't know if there's a. What are those ones?
The Italian.
We didn't put enough frames in this one.
Well, we can get one from the.
I thought we was doing Russians. We can go ahead and do the Italian. What was that last one?
Russian? Because these are Italian.
Okay.
No, pick one.
Did we put the Russian down there? I thought we was putting Italian down there.
Oh, that's the two. You're the one that took it.
One of those is the one we bought today. That's a Russian, but you got them mixed up now, so yeah, it's gonna be whatever. That one's right there on the ground or on the thing. So
I think that one's the Russian anyway. It's the darker of the.
off the court. Get out of the way. Don't want to smash you. Don't want to trap you. Really? Okay, I'm going to trap you all. Don't give me a choice.
You want me to open that one down and get an extra frame?
Somewhere we have an extra frame.
I know we got about 1,000 on the go truck.
Well, one of these we didn't have drone cones for.
That's right.
We do now. This one.
And, now, do you want Italian or the big C?
We'll do Italian, and those 2 C's.
Italian.
We're going to put the inner cover on that so everybody else leaves it alone. Oh crap. I undone the wrong end. The workers ran. Hopefully that's all that ran. Oh, let me see. Okay, the queen's still in there. Why did I close it? I wish I could already put it in my clothes. I'm really surprised it's the first one I did that to.
Oh, I'm gonna go get it.
Drone come.
Yep.
A lot of these bees around here are fans of these new queens.
Open that in.
Hey, I mean I did. I'm surprised that was the first one I did that.
Yeah, you laid it down.
I caught it soon as it popped and I didn't see the white candy behind it. Oh. Oops, sorry little girl.
I'm not a little girl, I'm a woman.
don't need any computer.
It's just really sticky.
I don't know if, after looking at this, I don't know if we really need to worry about feeding them.
We probably don't, but we're
I'm
going
going
to
to.
because it's gonna made it. We already have made up. We've been out here what, like 10 minutes?
A little longer than that, but not by a whole lot.
8 ticks.
You know we got tick spray. Turn that around, not to go to the front and up. It's supposed to be up, but sometimes I put it down. Quite often I put it down.
Like that?
Notch up.
That's where I had it.
Well, it's facing me at first.
Wow.
Quite often I put it down though. That lid goes to that one.
That leg goes to that one.
Huh?
That leg.
That's what I said. They got all kind of stuff. Whoa, teeter totters. This one's gonna go on a frame of roof. Really is where we should have all of them, but
Is there honey in that?
up in the corner.
Don't want to drown her.
You
What a
want
way
to
to
turn
go
that
then.
around. You don't want the opening facing down because that can. If one of the workers gets, or the attendants gets die, trap her. Before we make the big chaotic mess.
We're gonna feed these and close them up.
Yep. So that was 8 queens. You want a box with you? You want me to take the boxes? There's a ton. That one was only mine. That one has a box to go with it. I'm stuck at honeysuckles. The cover and everything shifted. If you want to work on closing those up, I'll grab some more boxes.
Yes, sir.
Those two slide way too easy. Don't seem right, do it. Grab that rock down there. Somewhere we lost one, I think.
Alright. That was the queens going in. Until next time, God bless you.